2009 GMC Sierra. I will be changing this tail light, the middle one, as it's burnt out, and making the clicker go faster, the signal, whatever. And I will be taking one Phillips screwdriver right here, and we remove this screw and this screw, which I've already done, as you can see. Pop that off. It's gonna fall out here because I'd already done it earlier. There you go. But you give this a good yank, on it, and these two pins will pop out. There's one pinhole there. There's the pin. There's one pin there and one pin there. So there's 1, 2 holes for it to go into. And to make this job a little easier, I undo this top and just turn it, because it kind of binds down here with this wire here. And turn that, and she should pop right out. Just give her a couple of yanks. There we go. I'd already taken the bulb out. Here's my two bulbs. Sorry. Part 3047. Sylvania, long life. Wow. I don't think they really have a long life all the time, but we shall see. Get these in. Sorry. Kind of a pain in the butt to open, but we'll get there. A little windy and chilly out here up in northern Canada. There we go. One new bulb. And I'm pretty sure it doesn't matter which way it goes in. Just make sure the prongs on the bulb are connected into those right there. And I will get that in, snapped in. Kind of one-handing this, so it's kind of difficult. And you'll hear that snap. Put it all back together. It's in. Tighten this guy back up. Make sure this guy's tightened. Yeah, I had to turn that a little bit. Back to the prongs, or the pins here. You'll see I'm going right to the hole there. Line them up. Push it in. There we go. And then just screws back into these holes here. That's it. Thank you very much. You guys have a great day.